Hi Riri, this is Alia Mukbita, a new friend I know from Japan. He had just arrived from Japan and was on the same student exchange program as us. Alia, this is Riri, my best friend who is always full of enthusiasm.
Nice to finally meet you, Riri. Alia Fitriana often talks about her friend, so I've been curious for a long time.
Nice to meet you, Alia. I heard you're from Japan. Wow, I must be exciting to be part of a student exchange. I become even more enthusiastic about joining a student exchange.
I am always very excited. This is a great opportunity to explore a new culture and experience life in a different country.
Yes, sounds awesome. I can't wait to see where we can go. Which country do you think we should choose?
Good question. I am thinking about Japan. The country has a rich culture, amazing technology, and delicious food. How about you, Riri? Are you thinking about a country?
Oh, Japan sounds so interesting. But I was actually thinking about the US. America has so much to offer different cultures in every state. Fun activities and who knows, maybe you'll even get to visit a Hollywood studio. I think it won't be a dream come true, but now I'm curious. Alia Mukbita, what about you?
Well, for me, I've always wanted to visit Europe, especially France. There's just something magical about Paris. I'd love to improve my French and learn more about their history and art. Plus, I am a huge fan of French cuisine. Think of all the croissants and cheese loaves.
That sounds so dreamy. Paris will be incredible, but no matter where we go, the real adventure will be meeting new people, experiencing different lifestyles, and making memories. It will be an unforgettable experience.
Definitely, we learned so much. But speaking of unforgettable experience, what did you guys do last New Year? It feels like it was just yesterday, alright?
Oh, for me, New Year was amazing. My family and I went to Bandung, and we stayed in this cozy villa. The view was breathtaking. We spent the evening playing games, eating, and just enjoying each other company. How about you, Riri?
Wow, that sounds like so much fun. Well, for me, New Year was pretty lovely. My friend and I decided to celebrate in the yard of my house. We grilled food, had a little picnic, and then watched fireworks. It was so festive. Every time the fireworks went off, we cheered and made a toast. What about you, Alia Fitriana? How did you celebrate?
Oh, it sounds like you had such a blast, Riri. As for me, I went to a concert with my friends. It was such a fun experience. Besides the incredible music, there was a spectacular fireworks display, which made the night even more magical. The energy in the crowd was contagious. Everyone was just so happy, And when the fireworks lit up the sky, everyone cheered together. It was one of the best nights.
That sounds amazing. I can totally picture the atmosphere. How many people were there? It must have been crowded, right?
Yes, there were so many people there. The crowd was huge, but that made the experience even more special. Everyone was so excited, and you could feel that unity. You know, the music, the fireworks, the cheers, it was just pure joy.
It's really interesting how we all have such different ways of celebrating the New Year, but they all sound so memorable. I love hearing how everyone spent this moment. It's about creating memories, no matter where how we are.
Exactly. Even if you don't celebrate the same way, those moments are always with us. That's what makes them special. I feel like those times we spend with our friends and family, no matter how big or small the celebration, always leave a lasting impression.
Yeah, the memories are the best part, and it's the same with the student exchange program, right? We'll create new memories, explore new places, and learn so much about ourselves and others. I can't wait for the day we look back on these moments and smiles.
Definitely, no matter where we end up, whether it's Japan, Europe, or America, I hope we can always cherish this time together. Maybe one day, when we are all grown up, we can meet up and share all the story from our trip.
That would be so great. We can reminisce about our adventure and laugh about all the things we learned. Let's make a promise to celebrate the New Year together in the future. No matter where life takes us, we shall find a way to make it happen.
I love that idea. A reunion trip or even just a small celebration somewhere. It's the kinds of promise that make everything feel even more special. We'll always have each other no matter where we go.
And the memories will never fade. No matter what happens, we'll carry them with us. So let's make sure this year is the best yet and get ready to create even more amazing memories.
I am in. Here's to new experience, unforgettable memories, and of course, friendship. Let's make this year one for the books.
I agree. Can't wait to see where this adventure takes us. Let's make it unforgettable.
For sure, to the future and all the exciting things ahead.
To the future and to celebrating New Year together someday.